Hey guys, so I'm here with another video. I don't know why I say that at the beginning of all my videos, but I'm here with a video for you guys. So I was picked for another Influenster Voxbox and I want to show you guys what I got. So for those of you who don't know what Influenster is, it is a website for influencers and whatnot. You don't need a certain number or anything like that, which is great. But they have an app and you download the app, you can make a profile, and pretty much the more engaged you are with the app, the more likely you are to get Voxboxes. So they have two types. There's a virtual Voxbox and an actual Voxbox. So virtual ones is when they pretty much just tell you like to go in store and just take a picture with like a shelf of new products that they're gonna tell you. You don't have to buy anything, or it's literally just pictures and reviewing stuff. So and then the real Voxboxes is when they send you things, like they'll send you a box of stuff and then you just like take pictures, put it on your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook, your Snapchat, your Insta story. They'll ask you different things to do, like review it on Macy's or wherever you can find it, or like Sephora, or you can also review it on the Influenster app. You can post the pictures on the Influencer app and you get points towards unlocking a badge. And pretty much just the more people you reach, the higher engagement you have with the app, the more Voxboxes you can get picked for. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that down below in my description box. Oh, anyways, let me stop rambling on. Let me show you guys what I got. So I got the Beauty Blender, like the Beauty Queen Voxbox from Influenster. Boop boop. I love this box actually. I don't know if I'm gonna throw it out. I really do love it. It's so pretty. I love it. So let's look what's inside. So like always, you get a little pamphlet, but this time it's not a real, like, it usually says like the name of the box. You guys can look at other Voxbox unboxings for reference if you guys don't understand what I'm saying. But this one says Beauty Blender, the Beauty Blender. It says discover the Beauty Blender difference. So it just talks about the Beauty Blender, and it says the world's premier edgeless makeup sponge designed to deliver a perfectly blended finish. The original, the best, and then on the back it shows you how to use it, and then how to clean it when you're done. So yeah. And so you download the Influencer app right now and you just review it and stuff like that. So yeah. Now, I do want to give a little background. I personally have never in my entire life used a beauty blender, like the original beauty blender. I have had beauty blenders in the past, but they were like knockoffs, I guess you could say. I've never had a Real Techniques one. I had one from BH Cosmetics, and I had two that I bought at a beauty store that didn't even have a brand name, but they worked nonetheless, and I did like them. But naturally, when I got this box, I was like, throw them shits away. It was time for them to get them anyway, so it's fine. So I got, this is open already, so it's probably dirty, but I opened this already. It's the Keep It Clean Matte. It's a cleansing mitt for a fast and deep clean. This is from the Beauty Blender brand. So in this you get one cleansing mat, one mini blender cleanser solid, and one sample of the liquid blender cleanser. So as you can see, this is already opened. So that's the blender cleanser. This is the matte, and when you take it out, I'm gonna show ya. It has another how to use, and then it has the sample of the liquid blender cleanser, which I might buy. I really like it. I haven't used this one yet, but I do want to get. I do like liquid. As nice as the solid ones are, I do like liquid cleaners better. So then in the back, it just shows you how to use the little mat and how to clean your things. It's like, you wet it really nicely. So I have one of the beauty blenders, obviously, that I used already over here. You guys can see that. So that's one. It also came with a blender cleanser solid, like a big one, instead of just like the sample one. Well, not the sample one, but the small one that comes with it. So this one's in the hard case. You just open it, use it, and then close it. So I've only used the solid Morphe brush one, like the Morphe brushes brush cleaner solid soap. I really like that one, the one in honey lavender. It smells amazing. I really wanted, it was so crazy because I just finished it, and then I got this Vox which came with this, which is awesome. So now I have more stuff to clean my brushes with. I haven't opened this one obviously because I still have the small one, but let's open it up. Oh, this is so cute. What is this? I think this is like, I guess you use this to clean the brushes. I mean, to clean the beauty blender. It's super cute. That's the little logo, and it has like little bumps and stuff. I guess you can use this to clean the blender. How on? And then the back has literally just the holes and then these 3 lines. I don't know what this is. This is so cool. It doesn't say either. Well, I don't know. That's cool. And then it has the soap in here, and it says solid on it. So, and then in the box you get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then number 6 over there. So in the box you get a total of 6 beauty blenders, which I'm so glad about because I try to use my makeup all day, like every day. But there's days where I have to skip using makeup and stuff, especially because I work and I have the kids, so it's really hard sometimes. But this is gonna work out. I'm obviously not gonna use 6 beauty blenders, so I'm probably gonna take 1 or 2 and put them in my giveaway, which I am starting to do. Like, I'm starting to buy stuff for. So blenders, well, 6 beauty blenders if you count that one right there. So 6 beauty blenders, you get the solid soap and the cleansing mat with the cleansing soap and the sample of the liquid cleanser. That's all that came inside of this Vox box, but I'm still pretty happy about it. I love this Vox box. I wasn't expecting to get inside of it, but I'd like to get in it. But I did, and I'm very happy that I did. I love makeup, so whenever I get a makeup related Vox box, it always makes me so happy. So that was the Beauty Blender Beauty Queen Vox box. That was all that came inside, and I'm very happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this unboxing and blah 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 blah. I know I talk too much, sorry. But yeah, so I'll have a link down below to everything that I showed off in this video, as well as my social media, any links that you guys like, links to get free stuff that I always leave down below, and as well with coupon codes or anything that you guys might like or whatever you guys want to see. So yeah, so that's it guys. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you aren't already. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia and I'm an aspiring MUA. Just look at my description box, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.